going to be making all back, but my client doesn't want the main all back that will get to this point because of her back pain. That's because of this side. She doesn't want that bumpy stuff on it. So I'll be making one line of 1 1, just one line. There are some clients that don't care, they just want all their hair back, all back. So this particular client wants 1 1. If you can see closely excuse me, you can see the bumpy stuff here. This is what she's always reacting to. Can you zoom it close? This is what she's always reacting to. So because of this, it's advisable that if you notice your client has this kind of stuff on her head, just do one line of 1 1 for her. This will solve the issue of this bumps on her head. So I'll be going like this. Please be patient and watch to the end. This is a well detailed video. Like this. Make sure your line is very straight so that you get the all back. Okay. After this, I'm going to apply my hair cream because her hair is very dry. After parting your hair, we'll get 1, 2, 4. The cream. Then we are going into the plaiting now. I'll be using attachments for the hair. So you pick your attachments. Some people, when they pick the attachments, they part it into 2 this way. But as a professional, I don't do this. This type is for beginners. I add my attachment together and I straight to the hair. Use one's hand to pick the hair. You share this particular hair now into 3. So 1, you bring this one like this. 2, you take this hand, dip it. The third one, see. I'm trying to be slow as possible. Very slow. So you're plaiting, you push the hair back. Make it tight, not too tight. So you repeat all this method. Repeat this particular method throughout. This is the first hair now. I'm going to make the second part. Remember, it's into 4. I just made the first one. This is the second one. So let me do like a beginner. Now the trick about this one now is when you are partitioning your attachment, let one be bigger than the other. You can see this one is bigger than this one. So when this part and this part now are all equal, you can see. You hold it like this. My 2 hands now are holding this one very tight. You can see as I'm holding my attachment. Use this hand and use this particular hand, this one, like this. Hold the attachment, then you bring it close to the hair. See my hand? Hold, drag down, hold to the hair. Use this hand to partition it. Then you use this, your thumb and your index finger, to hold the two hair. Use this hand, drag this one out. Use this particular hand, put it here. You can see. If you also want me to show you how to twist, just write it in the comment section. The third one. Let me do the beginner process one more time. So this is it. I'll be coiling this hair when I'm done. That's why the tips is half made. So this is how you do your hair, your what are they calling it, your box braid. So if I'm to make another line, if I'm to make a box braid all round, this is what they call box braid. For those that don't know, you can see the shapes are in box size. There are other shapes. If you want to get the triangle type, you still do it this way, but there's a way you cut that one. That one is another video that I'll be teaching you guys how to make that one. So if you have to do a box braid now, this is the pattern you will use all around throughout the hair till the final bust stop, which is at the front. So this is the end of the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share to your loved ones. Thank you. Bye.